Hi everyone, in the last class we learned how each consonant make two sounds. In this video we are going to learn that SH friends, if they comes at the end, how does it make sound? If it comes in the beginning, how does it make sound? So let's learn A, E, I, O, U. They are vowels. So A say A, E say A, I say E, O say A, U say A. Why are we learning every day means, see, with the help of these vowels, we are going to learn the spelling of so many words. So when we learn every day, you'll be thorough with these sounds. That's why we are learning every day. Let's learn. It's B and L. They are friends. When they come together, they make bl. C and R. When they come together, they make cr. F and R. When they come together, fr. FL makes fl. B and R makes br. If P comes at the end, ip, it, if, ik. So we recollect a few words. Okay. So blur, O say a, blur, ish. Yes, blush. Ish, crash. Ish, fresh. Ish, flush. Ish, brush. If it S and H friend, if they comes in the beginning of a word, how does it make sound? So sh, e, ip, ship. Sh, a, ip, shop. Sh, a, it, shut. Sh, a, il, if, shelf. Sh, a, ir, ik, shark. There are so many words, that is empty number of words are there beginning with SH and ends with SH. If you want, you see my description box. Write these words in any A4 sheet or chart paper, paste it on the wall. Help your child to learn every day and help them to learn the words, read the words quickly and happily. Thank you. Let me meet you in the next class.